Right now, if there is one actress who is everywhere in the film industry, it's Sri Leela. Songs, reels, interviews, back to back releases, she's literally taken over. Everywhere you scroll, she is there. But recently, that conversation around her changed. Not because of a movie release, not because of a song, but because of something she said. And suddenly, people started looking at her differently. Hey guys, welcome to TFIT, where we talk about everything happening in Telugu film industry, not just the highlights, but the reality behind it. And today, let's talk about Sri Leela, the star everyone is celebrating and the conversation people are not ignoring. Before we get into the controversy, let's understand why Sri Leela is such a big deal right now. Because honestly, her growth has been very fast. In a very short span of time, she has become one of the most in-demand actresses. And the main reason, her energy, the way she dances, and the way she expresses, the way she performs on screen, it feels effortless. And in commercial cinema, that matters a lot. In fact, in many songs, people don't just remember the music, they remember her performance. That is very rare. Because usually songs become viral because of the beat or the hook step. But here, she becomes the highlight. And that's exactly why directors want her, producers trust her, audience recognizes her instantly. She brings a kind of energy that is very hard to replace right now. And that's how she became a phenomenon. But with this kind of visibility comes a different kind of pressure. A pressure we don't always see. The pressure to always be energetic, available, performing, smiling. Because once the industry sees you as someone who can deliver, they keep expecting more. More songs, more shoots, more appearances, and slowly your normal starts changing. Things that are difficult for others start feeling normal to you. And this is very important to understand because this directly connects what Sri Leela said. In one of her interviews, Sri Leela mentioned that many of her songs were shot while she was on her period. And she said that it shouldn't be used as an excuse.
Like all of my songs, I can say, most of them at least, that have been appreciated, I've shot while I've been on my period. So that is not a excuse anywhere. And when we want things in par, and when we say we want things equally, I feel like we have to push beyond physiological barriers, right? So psychological, physiological, all of this is all
Yeah.
not an excuse.
Now, if you listen this casually, it might sound like she is hardworking, she is disciplined, and that part is true. But the problem is not her experience. The problem is what statement implies. Because the moment something like said publicly, it stops being personal and start becoming a benchmark. And that's where people had a problem. Because reality is very different. Not everyone experiences periods in the same way. For some people, it's manageable, but for others, it's extremely painful. We are talking about severe cramps, weakness, fatigue, mood changes, even difficulty in standing or walking. And these are not excuses, these are real experiences. So when someone says, I could do it, so others should too, it can feel invalidating, not intentionally, but it still feels that way because it ignores one simple truth. Everybody is different. And that's why this became a bigger conversation. Not about her, but about the idea behind the statement. And then comes another layer to this. Srila is also known as a doctor, and that creates a certain image. People expect awareness, sensitivity, understanding of medical realities. So when a statement like this comes from someone with a medical background, people react differently. And this is where things escalated online. Many people started raising doubts and discussions, not just about what she said, but also about her medical journey. Questions like how did she manage such a demanding acting career while also completing a degree like MBBS, which requires strict attendance, training, and internship. Some discussions even pointed out that this topic has come up before and there has been curiosity around how she balanced both. Now again, these are public discussions and online doubts, not confirmed facts. But it shows something very important. When you carry multiple identities, like being both an actress and a doctor, people expect consistency. And when something doesn't match that expectations, they start questioning. And social media makes everything bigger. A small clip becomes viral, a single line becomes a headline, and suddenly everyone has an opinion. Some people support her, some people criticize her, and some people take it personally. Because this is not just a celebrity topic anymore. It's something many people relate to in real life. But at the same time, we also need to be fair. Maybe her personal experience is genuinely different. Maybe she did not go to extreme pain. Maybe for her, working through it felt normal, and that's completely valid. But the issue is not her experience. It's presenting in a way that feels like a standard for everyone. This situation actually teaches something bigger, that influence is powerful, and when you are in a public eye, even small statements can have a big impact because people don't just listen, they compare, they relate, and sometimes they feel judged. Srilila is talented, there is no doubt about that. She is one of the most exciting performers in the industry right now. But this moment shows something important. Along with talent comes responsibility. Not perfection but awareness. Not pressure but empathy. And most importantly, understanding that not everyone's reality is the same. But there is another angle we often forget, the difference between film industry and normal life. When actors are shooting, they have full team around them like makeup artists, assistants, breaks between shots, controlled environments, and most importantly, their entire job is focused on that one task. But in real life, people are managing office work, travel, household responsibilities, long working hours all at the same time. So comparing the two is not really fair because the conditions are completely different, and that's something a lot of people pointed out after her statement, that what works in film set may not work in everyday life. And another reason why this became such a big topic is because who said it. If a random person had said this, it wouldn't have mattered much, but when someone like Srilila says it, it reaches millions, and more importantly, it influences how people think, because celebrities are not just individuals anymore, they are reference points. People look at them and think, if she can do it, why can't I? And that's where pressure builds, especially on people who are already struggling. And that's why conversations like this are important. And this is it for this video. This is TFIT, where we don't just follow trends, we talk about what's behind them. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoy this kind of real and honest content, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.